like if I were to rate myself initially, I would have rated myself at 25. But now I can safely say I'm at 75. But like, we must be mindful of one thing: we should keep on practicing, because if we don't practice, we will have to forget. I'll take the opportunity to thank GRA, because like what my boss said the last time, we have over 600 and more staffs there, but like we were chosen out of the lot. We were chosen to represent GRA, and like I'm also very happy that like you were very satisfied with our output, because like you commented that we are willing to learn, and that's a big compliment. Thank you.